Michigan State University is playing hardball in federal court with more than 100 survivors of Dr. Larry Nassar. These are new lawsuits that have been filed since the university set up a fund of $500 million to settle claims. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is downtown with more on how this second wave of cases are heating up.
MSU filed more than 1,000 papers of legal documents wanting these new cases tossed out, saying they're too late to the game. The case is being heard in federal court over in Grand Rapids.
These are not second-class survivors. They suffered harm just like any other victim of Larry Nassar.
This is a new battle going on in federal court and still in the court of public opinion. Dr. Larry Nassar is essentially doing life in prison after pleading guilty to molesting hundreds of young girls when he was a USA Gymnastics and MSU doctor. The reasons vary why more than 100 survivors didn't come forward before. A series of public information videos has them telling their stories.
So I was really desperate to find someone that could help me. And I hear about this Michigan State Olympic doctor who's the best at what he does.
Michigan State University set up $500 million settlements for Nassar survivors. More than 300 women were paid on average $1.2 million to settle. $75 million was held for any additional cases. And with more than 100 still pending, the settlement amounts would be less than half that.
We're seeing a pattern of the issue. We can't keep sweeping anything under the rug. This isn't about a settlement. This is about making sure this doesn't happen again.
There's another case pending in the Michigan Court of Claims that is also getting into who knew what and when inside MSU.
We believe that there were people at Michigan State University that knew what was happening, that covered it up, and that could have stopped it from happening.
University, in a statement to 7 Action News, says they've settled 80 new cases. They continue to talk about settlements, and filing with federal court that they want these cases tossed out is just part of the legal process. In downtown, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
All right, let's switch.